So we are in the heart of downtown Canmore today to go to our latest listing. It's in the Spring Creek neighborhood, one of the most sought after neighborhoods in Canmore for buyers right now. And we are going to their latest building. It's the Tamarack Lodge. Now the Tamarack Lodge is zoned as a tourist home. Again, one of the most popular zonings for buyers looking currently. And it's a 2-bedroom, over 1,300 square feet unit. You can live in it full time or you can use it to generate revenue while you're not here. So while Spring Creek Developments is in the heart of downtown Canmore, the Tamarack Lodge is in the heart of Spring Creek. So we've got this beautiful sort of plateau behind us. We've got an ice rink in the wintertime that turns into a beautiful water feature in the summertime. And then the Tamarack Lodge has some commercial retail space on the lower level. So we've got an incredible store, the Alder Cafe and Grocery Store just behind me. And Bridget Bar is coming real soon. So we're on the 3rd floor of Spring Creek's latest completed building. This is the Tamarack Lodge. We have just under 1,400 square feet. And as you can see, it's a real mountain modern design, some really clean lines, great finishes. This is a tourist home unit, which allows you to live here full time if you'd like to, but also rent it out by the day, the week, the month to generate some revenue while you're not here. So the kitchen here is incredible. We've got lots of cabinet space. It comes fully stocked with dishes and cutlery and pots and pans for you. We've got quartz countertops, beautiful brand new KitchenAid appliances, and it looks out over the living space and dining room, so it's perfect for entertaining. So we've got some premium furniture package here. The condo actually comes fully furnished and fully stocked for the kitchen. It's turnkey and ready for you to go. And this is a pull-out couch, so it easily sleeps 6 people. So we've got some gorgeous morning light flooding into this primary bedroom. We've got a king bed, some beautiful mountain views from this window, and then it's attached to a large walk-in closet as well as a 5-piece ensuite washroom with soaker tub, no step shower, and his and her sinks. So the great thing about this floor plan is that the bedrooms are actually separated on either side of the condo by the living space, so you've got some great privacy from your guests. The second bedroom has a large king bed as well as a walk-in closet with a beautiful barn door. Rounding out this great floor plan for the condo, we have a second washroom with his and her sinks as well as a no-step shower and also a full laundry room. So just after living space, we have this huge deck. It's great for just sitting out and staring at the mountain views right behind me, having your morning coffee or entertaining with friends with drinks and glasses of wine at night. So if you feel like you need to work out while you're staying at the Tamarack Lodge, we've got this great gym with weights and also exercise equipment. And then after a long day of skiing, you can go soak in the hot tub, which is just next door. As always, thanks for watching. We've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks, so don't forget to click that subscribe button.